I bought a drone, but the seller was a scammer and I did not receive support from AliExpress. The employees also scammed me and did not stand by me. I bought a drone and before I bought it I contacted the seller and asked him about the best version and he told me that the best version is the Pro Max version. I paid for the Pro Max version, which is the best and most expensive version among the options, but he sent me the worst version he had. I contacted him but he was not cooperative and did not respond to messages. Worst scam seller ever. I do not recommend buying from him. This is the Pro Max version. I will attach all the evidence. The drone is of very poor quality. This is proof that I bought the Pro Max version. This is the dispute page where it says that I won the dispute and I am waiting for the seller to send his address to return the product, but he did not send his address. These are the emails I received from the senior buyer protection team responsible for resolving disputes, but they side with the fraudulent seller. Note that I have received many of these emails with the same content. This is evidence that I contacted the seller and asked him about the best version and he answered me that it is the Pro Max version. Also, after opening the dispute, I asked him to send the return shipping address, but he never responds and does not reply to messages. He is a fraudulent seller who is waiting for the dispute time to end and for me to lose the dispute. This is the worst drone video ever and it is not suitable as a toy for children. The camera is very bad without any clarity. It is a waste of money and time.